If you want to get to the next level as a data analyst, here's something that you can start doing today. Getting to the next level is going to require you to think differently and to work differently. It also means becoming more efficient at your job, and there's these tiny little things that can make all the difference in terms of your overall efficiency. So here's a real basic thing that you can do when you're writing your SQL statements. When you write a SQL statement, don't write it like this the way most people do. Most people will see a table like this transactions table here, and then they'll go over to their query editor, and then they'll start writing like this. They'll write the word select, then they'll start typing out their fields, then they'll write the from statement, and then they'll type in the transactions table. That probably sounds normal, but here's why you don't want to do this. First, when you write that select statement in those fields first, when you get down to the table portion and you put an alias behind it, then you have to go back up and you have to edit all those fields that you already typed in. That's inefficient. Also, that's assuming that you go back and do best practices and make sure that you put that alias in front of all those fields. There's a lot of people that don't do that, and that causes a lot of headaches and runtime bugs down the road. What you want to do instead is to write your code in this order. Start by stubbing out your query by putting in the word select, give yourself a few lines, and then go ahead and type the from. From there, you can go ahead and type your table name, then your alias, then you can go back up into the select and you can type in the fields that you want to select. Since you already know the alias name, you can type that right away and you don't have to go back and edit your code. Also, this will force you to be more consistent, making sure that you always put that alias in front of all of your field names. So if you want to start working to elevate your career and your analytics skills, put this one in practice today. For more analytics tips and tips on getting hired or getting promoted, check out my website, analyticsmentor.io.